Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one GMC Yukon 2020 model, and in this car I will show you where is the fuse box location. All those fuse box. Okay. So first fuse box in here, front left side. See, you have to remove this cover and you can get this all fuse. There is a BCM fuse and theft, security, blower, fuse, everything is here. Okay, one first fuse box in driver side, this cover, and second passenger side. I'll show you now. See, second one in passenger side fuse box. Okay, and main fuse in front of a car. Main fuse box here, this one. Okay, where is AC, engine, ignition, relay, everything is here. This is main fuse box. Okay, thank you.